Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Nicole Elizabeth via my YouTube username. Thank you for choosing to watch my videos to learn all about natural hair protective styles. I love doing hair. Love doing hair. Ever since I was a little girl, I will always do different hairstyles to my dolls. I will even relax my doll's hair. Yes, I relax my doll's hair. And I would do different hairstyles to my hair. If I see a hairstyle that I think is interesting or cute, I would mimic it, or I would tweak it to bring my own little personality into it, and it carry over into adulthood. Why didn't I do this as a profession? I'm not interested in it for the money. I just love doing it for a hobby. I can even do my friends or my family's hairs as long as I have my fingers in hair. Especially natural hair was my latest challenge. I've been natural for going on 5 years in July. Congratulations to me. The reason why I became natural is because of my daughter. She's 5. I didn't want her growing up, and I wanted to keep her hair natural. And I didn't want her to say, well, Mommy, why is your hair natural? Why is your hair straight? I want my hair to be straight. I want my daughter to learn to love who she is the way she is. So you don't have to relax your hair, even though it's fine to relax your hair if you want to. No issues. I had my hair relaxed for a majority of my life, and I loved it until I decided to go natural when my hair started to fall out. But I wanted her to have natural self-confidence and not have to want to have her hair straightened to feel that she's beautiful. I want her to know that she's beautiful on her own. So, my next video will be about hair paint wax. Yes, I will also do hair tutorials and product reviews. I would have to say sometimes my brain says things that sounds weird. I am an only child, so I tend to get bored. When I get bored, I like to do different things, whether it's try to change my handwriting. Yes, try to change my handwriting. I did say that. Or I try to do a different style. I do different protective styles in my hair once a week because I just like something new and different. I get bored, like I said. So, stay tuned. Thank you for choosing to watch me. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Next video, I'll see you with the tutorial on hair paint wax. Bye.